Hey everybody, so basically this is the re-upload for the Acer Extensa 5220 disassembly and assembly tutorial. So yeah, we can start. By the way, I'm doing the re-upload because my first video was shot in a bad angle and you couldn't see very well. So yeah, now I'm doing a re-upload. So what I'm doing now is I'm basically just unscrewing all the screws to remove the back plate. So yeah. I'm hoping you can see well in this angle. At least I think it's pretty good. By the way, guys, just tell me if you want like videos for more like specific parts of the computer, like specific video for RAM or like the ventilator or like CPU, you know, stuff like that, like more specific and detailed videos. So yeah, now we can just get the back plate off. Yeah, just take it off, put it to the side. So yeah, now I can see all of the components. I'm gonna quickly show them to you. So yeah, this is the ventilator. This is the heatsink. It's pretty long. Under the heatsink, there's the CPU or the processor. Then these are my RAM cards. 1 gigabyte, 1 gigabyte, together 2 gigabytes. This is my network card. This is the hard drive. And yeah, by the way, my processor is Intel, I think it was okay, I don't really remember. When I will take it apart, I will tell you. So yeah. Now first we'll take out the, I guess, the ventilator. So yeah. First actually you unplug it. Actually, before we touch any of the parts, I suggest you take out the battery. So yeah, just put it like this so it's unlocked. And this one, boom, take it out. Now, unplug. So this thing disconnects the ventilator to a power source. So yeah, basically unplug this thing. Then the two screws. Basically, one is on this side, the other one's on this side. So yeah. Nice, put it to the side. And usually if your computer is working like, if it's like slow, then sometimes the dust in here and here will be blocking the fan, the ventilator. So yeah, basically you want to watch out for that. Now we're gonna take out the heatsink. Mine is connected with 5 screws. So yeah, but I think it may vary. So yeah, it can be different for your laptop. Now we can take it out, I think, yeah. And here is my processor. So yeah. So I don't really know the model. I know it has 2 gigahertz. So yeah. I think for a laptop that's all right. So yeah. Now we'll take the flat screwdriver, put it in, unlock it. Wait for that clicky sound. When you hear it, then you can take it out. And your computer might be running slow if you don't have this thing. It's called thermal paste. So yeah. And on the heatsink there should be some thermal paste here too. So yeah. If you have it, then it's all good. Now we'll take out the 2 RAM cards. Let's start with the top one. So basically you can see 2 like pushable like thingies right here. They're like made of aluminium. So yeah, you just push them to the side. I will try to show you without like blocking the view. So yeah, basically I'm gonna get both of my screwdrivers. Boom. By the way, I'm getting the screwdrivers so you can see it. Push it to the side. Boom. It should pop right up. Put that to the side. Now the second one. On the second one, my like pushy things are a little bit different. They're like longer and a different construction. So yeah, but it's the same principle. You basically just push them to the side. So yeah. And yeah, that's the basic parts of the computer taken out. So yeah, that's the disassembly part of the video. Now we're gonna look at the disassembly. So yeah, first we're gonna put in the processor, I guess. Yeah, so just line up the holes with these metal, I don't know, like tabs, I guess. Yeah, just line them up. Then get your flat screwdriver, put it in, boom, twist it. No clicky sound this time. Then we put in the heatsink, slide it in, boom. Get your normal screwdriver. I suggest you screw the screws in pretty tight, so nothing like falls out. Yeah, that would be a pretty bad situation if that happens. So yeah, I suggest you tighten them. In my previous video, my first one, we got like, now I can see it's like 26 views. So yeah, I guess that's alright for my first video. No comments though. So yeah, I'm not too happy about that, because I really want like criticism, not like rate mean comments, but like constructive criticism, I think it's called. Like when you criticize a person for like, when you like have a point to criticize them, not like, oh you're young, how can you like understand anything about computers? Like not that type of criticism, but like constructive criticism. Oh, like maybe next time you should do that because that and that, you know? So there's like So it's like constructive, so you have a point. So yeah. Plug in. Wait, it doesn't let me like, wait. Plug it in to the power source. Now it's all good. So yeah. And in the end of the video, I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek of probably the next video. So yeah. Now the RAM. This was the first one. You just put it in like it was. It was pretty like straight up. It was like this. If you put it in like this and then push it down, it's not gonna work. You need to put it in like up, more straight. So yeah, now you push it down, check if it moves. If it doesn't, it's all good. Same with this one. Actually, why did I actually do that? That's a mistake. You first put in this one. Doesn't move, it's all good. Then this one. It's like my brain's a little bit messed up today. Both don't move, so that's good. And now we can screw the back plate back on. So yeah. So yeah, this is the most boring part because I'm just screwing them all in. You should probably, oops, I already know how to do that. So yeah. If you want, you can skip the parts when I'm screwing these back in and out. So yeah, just skip them. And the last screw. Place the battery in, lock it, and that was it, guys. Thanks for watching, and peace.